In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find remote international jobs on Glassdoor. First, open Glassdoor in your web browser, or launch the mobile app and sign into your account. If you're new, you can create a free account in a minute. But if you already have one, just log in so your searches and preferences can be saved. Being signed in also helps you see more details on salaries and company reviews as you research roles. Next, head to the search bar. Type in job titles or keywords that match what you're looking for, and be sure to include remote or work from home. For example, you might try software engineer remote, customer support work from home, or marketing remote. Using clear keywords helps Glassdoor return the most relevant listings. If your field has common variations, try a couple of different phrases to broaden your results. Go ahead and hit search to open the job listings page. You'll see a list of roles that match your keywords with company names, locations, and quick summaries. From here, you can skim the titles and preview the descriptions to get a sense of what's available. Take note of the posting dates and any immediate remote indicators next to the title. Before diving too deep, refine your results for international opportunities. Click the Filters button, then go to Location and choose the countries or regions where you're comfortable working. You can pick specific countries or select broader regions if you're flexible. This step helps you find roles that hire across borders, rather than just local remote positions. By now, you should see a focused list of remote jobs across the countries you selected. Browse through the results and open any listings that match your skills. As you read, look for details about time zone expectations, hiring eligibility, and language requirements, since some companies hire globally but still need overlap with certain hours. It's also helpful to review the responsibilities and qualifications section carefully to make sure your experience aligns with what they're asking for. Quick note: I've placed the link to Glassdoor's website, along with the official app download link, right at the top of the description so you can jump in immediately on desktop or mobile. Use whichever works best for you. When you find a promising role, save it to your account so you can compare options and consider reading company reviews to understand culture and interview experiences. That extra context can help you prepare a stronger application. That's it. You can now easily find remote international jobs on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching.